My Samsung microwave code C-D0 came on as I was cleaning the inside out. How can I fix it? I took plug, waited a few minutes, it came on again.
How old is your Samsung microwave?
2 years.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung microwave? What have you tried so far?
15 minutes ago, first time.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, just tell me how to fix it.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your microwave. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, may I have the full model number located on a sticker just inside the doorway so I can better assist you?
MC17J8000CS. No call yet.
I see you requested a phone call. Please stay near your phone, and I will be calling you momentarily.
55357 and number 56397.
Unfortunately, the error means that your touchpad has failed. This is part of your door, so the entire door needs to be replaced to fix this issue because the touchpad isn't made separately. The part number you'll need to order is DE9403533F and it's about $220. If you think there may be steam in the touchpad, just unplug the unit for 24 hours and see if it'll dry out to start. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.